have to run some code on the CNC machine, but it's a mill. It's not a lathe like the other one. So, yeah.
So this program is machine tool technology. Here we use mathematics to essentially generate everything that the modern world runs on. From parts for pumps, parts for cars, parts for airplanes, it doesn't much matter, we make it all. The part we did here was made out of just our simple, standard carbon-based steel that we use for a lot of things. The tool we used uses mathematic formula for the correct feeds and speeds so that we're cutting at a proper rate, not too fast, not too slow. We work with industry. Stuff's a machine. These tools are used worldwide, so everybody feeds back in. We all help each other. It makes the world a better place to run smoother.